All right, this is 2514860M, the People versus Shelby Perkins.
Good morning. Todd Barrett appearing on behalf of Ms. Perkins. Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to review the pre-sentence report. She's also reviewed it. There's one correction, and there is an indication that she had a mental health diagnosis of bipolar. She's indicated that that's not accurate. She does have and has received and is receiving treatment for anxiety and depression, as well as the borderline personality. But I don't believe, or she does not believe that there was a specific bipolar diagnosis, but she is in counseling and treatment as indicated. Find the report to be accurate, ask the court to adopt that recommendation. She is accepting responsibility for her role in getting here today. She suffered some collateral consequences. She was working for Melvindale Schools, and due to the arrest, that's obviously been impacted, and we're hoping that the delayed sentence in this can help get that back on track. But beyond that, Your Honor, I think the report, the recommendation is appropriate. We'd ask to adopt.
Okay, and Ms. Mack, you have a right to address the court at a sentence under the Crime Victims' Rights Act. Would you like to make a statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you come on up to this table here? See that little black thing on the table? That's the microphone. So I need you to stand near that so the court reporter can pick up what you're saying. All right, ma'am, what would you like the court to know?
I just feel her action cost me my job.
Did you lose your job there?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Cost me my visitation with my grandson because he was in the vehicle. He was called CPS
On you?
because I had the child with me. So they had to investigate to make sure the child was okay.
But you were the victim.
He
Were
was
they
in my
aware
care.
of that?
But yes, he was in my care.
Okay.
So.
But you were a victim of a crime.
Right.
That's strange. Okay.
So I've been out of work. I get there, people have mental issues and stuff like that, but what she did cost me a lot of heartache, stress. Again, my job. With my husband, because 2 incomes down to 1. It's been a rough.
Yeah, and I appreciate you've always shown up for court. I know that as well. I've seen you here multiple times. So thank you for your input. I'm going to, for the most part, adopt the recommendation. Do you understand your behavior has an impact on people?
So does her behavior.
Okay, that's helpful. Good.
She approached me.
All right, she's getting 20 days jail.
What?
You're welcome. I'm not tolerating it. If here's the thing.
But I don't get.
You're a defendant.
Okay.
You committed a crime. She is the victim of that crime. And you had an opportunity right now. I gave it to you for you to apologize, acknowledge your behavior
I do.
had consequences for other people. And instead chose to victim blame.
I'm-
So there you go. Ma'am, you can have a seat. All right, that's easy. Ma'am, you have a fine of $100. You have court costs of $100. You have state costs of $50. Crime victims' rights fee is $75. Probation oversight fees of $450. You have community service fee of $10 per day for a total of $30. You have 20 days jail forthwith. Following that,
We're down to.
we'll do 12 months of probation. You'll complete 3 days or 24 hours of community service in the city of Taylor as directed by probation and provide proof. You'll continue in mental health treatment and provide proof. If no proof is provided, you must obtain mental health evaluation as directed by probation. You'll complete an anger management as directed by probation through Better Choices and provide proof and follow all therapeutic recommendations. You'll attend and complete any other ancillary services deemed warranted. You will have no contact with Ruth Mack. You will maintain employment and provide. You will have no weapons or ammunition. You will forfeit all items seized as evidence. You will not drive without a valid license. Your sentence is delayed under 771.1. If you weren't fingerprinted at time of arrest, you will need to be fingerprinted. Anything else?
Your Honor, would the court consider suspending that pending her
No,
performance?
she had, no, thank you, Mr. Barron. She had an opportunity to behave like an adult and apologize for her behavior. And instead she chose to talk about how it's all the victim's fault. The victim was not convicted of a crime. And so if you want to make a record, go ahead. There's nothing you can say that will change my mind. It's the correct decision.
I was simply requesting that consideration, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, we're all set.
This way.
I hope you learned something. 25 days, 25 days. You want anything else?
I would like a
25. Want more?
Shelby,
I want a chance to speak.
Go.
let's go. Shelby, this way.
Bring her back out. I have to tell her one more thing.
It's not fair.
Okay. An appeal to circuit court may be taken within 21 days from date of sentence or as permitted pursuant to MCR 6.625 parent B. If the sentence includes incarceration, which it does, and if you wish to file an appeal but are financially unable to retain an attorney, the court will appoint a lawyer to represent you on appeal. You must request that lawyer within 14 days of today's date, the date of sentencing. And ma'am, when you are released from Wayne County Jail, you're to turn yourself into the probation department so you can be advised of your orders.